Hi there, I'm Megan with WTI, and this right here is the GEEKERA 3-in-1 wireless charging station. This charging station allows me to charge my iPhone, my Apple Watch, and if you have wireless charging AirPods, it can charge those as well. If you don't own AirPods, you can actually charge 2 cell phones at the same time, which is awesome. You can charge in portrait or landscape mode, which means you can watch TV while charging. And it's been our experience, my husband's OtterBox commuter case does actually hold a charge on this. All in all, we're really happy with this GEEKERA wireless charger. It certainly fulfills all of our needs. It's a sleek, clean design that allows us to charge everything we need without having a bunch of wires all over the place. So we're really happy with this, and I think you will be too, but that's just my point of view.